Using Now Assist for code generation, you can easily create script snippets and quickly complete in-progress code. In some cases, you'll need to enable advanced options, then navigate to the Advanced tab. If right-clicking, click Open Code with Now Assist to open the dialog box. If using the keyboard commands, the dialog box appears automatically. Enter the description of the code you want to generate. The code is generated in the script editor, and you can choose to accept or reject the code. If you accept, the code will be added to the script. If you reject the code, it will not appear in the script editor, and you can rephrase your description to generate a new code suggestion. You can also provide feedback on the accuracy of the code. To edit existing code, highlight the code and right-click, or use the keyboard commands. The Now Assist dialog box appears again, and you can enter a description of the code you want to edit. Revised code is highlighted in green. If the revised code is accurate, you can accept the changes, and it'll automatically be inserted into the script editor. Selecting the Help button shows all the editor shortcuts, including those powered by Now Assist. You can find more documentation next to the code with Now Assist icon at the bottom of the script editor. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.